the garlic press. Now, I'm a little biased. I think that I could probably chop this garlic up in about the same amount of time it would take to use this, but we're going to show you how to use this because some people don't want to mess with it, right? We have our clove of garlic. As you've learned before, or maybe you haven't seen that video yet, if you haven't, watch it. We're going to take our garlic clove, put our knife down with the palm of our hand, smash it. It's going to break up the skin and it's going to expose the garlic, right? So then we're going to put the garlic in here, and then simply we just squeeze it. And you can see it's essentially minced up the garlic. That's as simple as that. If you have one of these, it's great. The only thing with this for me is that it leaves a bit of garlic inside this and you have to clean it, right? So my method is, again, you expose the skin, and this has helped you with your knife skills anyway. The claw, like we've learned before, you turn it, alright, so maybe it isn't quite as quick, but I don't have anything else to clean. My hand and the knife are already dirty, so you decide which way you want to do it. But if you want to use garlic press, use a garlic press. If you want to mince your garlic by hand, my vote's for that.